What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, another chilly video, I should say that. But y'all see by the thumbnail, man. Y'all see where I'm headed. Y'all see where I'm headed, man. I'm going to link up with my little bro Steve Davis. He done pulled up on me twice, man. I gotta take his HP tuners back too. Here, let me borrow it. Last month sometime. Might have been 2 months now, man. So I appreciate him for that. So I'm finna take that. We're gonna drop the turbo. I'm just take everything up here, man. We're finna take everything up here and go chill with my little bro for a little second. Y'all see, I done dug John Jones out. I'm gonna drive this thing all the way up there. I'm going clean to where I'm going. I say that. It ain't no short drive, I tell you that much. Real street car stuff. I told you I drive my horsepower and snowballs, horsepower and heat, horsepower and street ability. That's what's going on. So I'm about to get everything loaded up. Hold on, wait a minute. I know one thing I gotta do. Hold up. I'm going up the interstate where I might catch a body for real. We ain't forgetting to cut this on. I'll tell you that. Let me catch somebody out there on the road sleeping. He's going down. It's going down. Let's crack you open. Wide open. There we go. Now we good. Now we good. Catch me a body. So yeah, I'm finna hit the road, man. I got gas up, fill this thing up. I want to see how much gas it's gonna take too. Fill this thing up and all that, and we about to hit the road. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in. I just filled up. We about to drive this thing all the way up there. Got the GoPro set up. We're gonna roll a time lapse cause it's a long ride. And by now, people ought to believe it's a real street car, man. People should believe I done drove, far as I done drove it, but we're gonna roll a time lapse anyway, man. If the camera, long as the camera stay alive, we're gonna keep it rolling or whatever, and I speed it up. And if I catch me a body on the highway, I slow it down. So that's how we're gonna do it. I'm just gonna roll the GoPro, and then I bring this back out when we get up to Steve's house. So I catch y'all in a few. Alright, y'all see we done made it over with my little bro.
We here.
We at SCS. We at SCS, man. This way it go down it. Good little ride. Well, it was a light ride for me, but I'm saying good ride for the Camaro, so.
You might want to wait till the dog shut up.
Oh, we ain't worried about that dog. They be hearing it at my house. Yeah, man, y'all see he got him in here. Getting it in wood everywhere. So y'all know he working. Then I brought him this. Here, man, you ain't gonna put this up. You don't need no dust in that.
Don't.
Man, brought him that.
We can go show what this going in a second.
Oh, yeah.
This video coming, y'all gotta stay tuned. This is gonna be one of the biggest things I did this year.
Man, it looking good already.
I can't show too many angles.
Yeah. Y'all gotta go on. Y'all gotta go check his video out for that. Y'all gotta go check his video out. Said, well, gave y'all the time lapse, man. Straight ride, running cool, running great, no hiccups. Didn't take but a quarter tank of gas too. That ain't bad. That ain't bad at all. I ain't going to boost but 2 times. If y'all probably don't believe, but I really didn't. Man, I kept it in vacuum the whole time. So, probably half a tank of gas here and back. That ain't bad. That ain't bad, man. 200 something plus mile. Well, it might not be too, about 180. If that, I don't know. I give y'all that at the end or whatever. But yeah, man. Turn this thing off. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. About to head out. We just been in there chilling or whatever. Off camera and all that. I don't be recording all this stuff, man. When I get around my real people, I don't even think about to pull no camera off. Like when me and old school kings get together, most of the time we forget to record or whatever. But I'm gonna put some air in the add a towel right here, right quick. So yeah, we're gonna head back down the road. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, we in traffic. I might have me one. I think I got a Camaro back there. I can't tell, Camaro or Challenger. I might have me a victim, but I'm gonna have to get over in about 5 miles. So traffic congested. Challenger. That's it right there, but that ain't no challenge. The Challenger ain't no challenge. That's my new thing, y'all. The Challenger ain't no challenge. Don't look like nothing gonna shake though. It's too congested. So I'll turn y'all back on in a minute. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. So we made it back. Good trip, man. Good long trip today. Put some miles on John Jones today, man. John Jones, hey, look, you the truth. This bad boy here is the truth. This a bad car. Man, I forgot to turn my CO2 off, man. It's alright. I'm putting my keys up now. It's alright. Need to leave it on anyway, cause I'm gonna need it tomorrow. We're going at it again tomorrow. I told y'all when I get my car back, I'm going in with it, content, and I'm driving the hell out of it. So pulled up on my bro Steve today, chill with him. Good little day. Good little drive. Had fun. Ain't nothing like driving your car on the interstate, man. Just going up and down the road, folk looking or whatever, and just playing with it, you know, having fun, man. Ain't nothing like it. That's why I said everything I build true street cars. I don't own a race car. I never build a race car. I could have been did that. I never build something I can't drive. That's a fact. I promise y'all. I would never go to that extreme. I ain't that competitive. I don't care. You beat me, you just beat me. But it'll take a race car. You're gonna have to have a bad street car. I'm talking about with any of my cars I build, you're gonna have to have a bad street car. But for a car that sit just like mine, I ain't gonna tell no lie, that car be hard to kill. For a car that sit just like mine, all working components, AC, heat, everything. Y'all see I drive anywhere. I go out of state, no issues. Temperature, it run cool as a fan. The heat hot. It's just like getting in a factory car. 3-speed transmission, all of that. I don't know, folk be complaining about an overdrive. I don't need no overdrive. What do your Tahoe or Denali do or whatever when you click it in tow mode? It make it a 3-speed. That vehicle right there, when you click it and put it in tow mode, it's a 3-speed transmission. I've been driving 3-speed all my life. Now glide, I can't really deal with a glide. You can drive a glide on the road, but I can't deal with a glide. Now you talking about tacked up, you get you a power glide in a gear. Yeah, but everything I get, I'm ready to drive. Y'all see, I drive that thing anywhere. So now I'm about to uncover the Cutlass and put it up. Guess man, we'll let y'all see this thing, man. Again, you can't never get tired of looking at this. I'm just gonna pull this part off the front car. I don't need to uncover the whole thing. Just gonna pull it forward. This car here, pretty. Get this Cutlass uncovered. I guess I need to see this side too. Take this, fold it front back. So yeah, we about to put this thing up. I might as well keep y'all on while I crank it up. Cause y'all know what it's finna do. Y'all know it's about to get to hitting, boy. This thing about to be hitting. Been sitting to it cold. Bad boy about to be, man. How much? Oh, you playing, man? I know that one there. That's a scratch too. Damn. I'm gonna have to get this painted, man. See, I be looking at little stuff, man. It's a scratch right there. Look like a key. That's why I be careful, man. Know where it come from. You got a nice car, any little thing, you know, any little blemish or anything, you gonna notice it. You gonna notice it, for real. Let's see, that well. Oh, okay. Fire right up. Fire right up then. All right, well. What more can you ask for? What more can you ask for? Fire right up. This car been sitting. It's sitting for hours. There we go. On idle down. There we go. Idle down. I like the way them tailpipe sound, I can't lie, but the muffler got to go, man. I don't like the muffler. I'm gonna get this thing moved and then I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Alright, so got everything put up, man. Sun going down. Got back, perfect timing. Like I said, temperature, man, well, it been cold all day. I ain't gonna say nothing about temperature dropping. It been cold all day. But we got them all put up, man. Good little day. Regular day, but y'all know I had to pull the camera out when I pulled up on my boy, so ain't too much going on. Y'all got to see a drive, whatever, time lapse, a long drive. I think it was 148 miles today put on that car. Really more than that, but we're gonna say 150 something, some change. Car. I went a few other places, but yeah, man, good day. Been having fun with that car. Now I'm ready to start driving the Cutlass, whatever. I don't know, Herb ain't made it by yet, so like I said, probably Monday I'm gonna be taking it to Jesse Monday and let them go and take their intake out real quick. I could do it, but I don't like working in the cold, man. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie. I can do that. That's an easy job. I done changed intakes plenty of time and put intakes on. Y'all done saw me put intakes on, but I don't feel like doing it. The supercharger easy. I mean, you can pull the whole supercharger off, or you can just take the 4 bolts loose, and then the snout part of the supercharger come off. And then it'll be just like a regular intake. Then you can glue the intake down, then put the snout back on, put the 4 bolts in. You can do it like that, but I don't want to take the loop because I don't know how the seals and all that is. I don't want to mess it up and then have to order seal or gasket or whatever. So, but I'm gonna take it at Jesse and they'll let them swap it out right quick just so I can start driving it. Said I don't want to drive it cause all that smoking, man. It's just annoying. Don't look good. So I begin that taking care of next week. That'll be in and out. Just can reset the time. Then I'm gonna start driving the Cutlass. Start doing some ride racks in it and take it to the dyno. Then I'm gonna alternate them, taking them to the track or whatever. I'm gonna take the Cutlass sometime, see what it run. I ain't gonna take the Cutlass a whole lot. Too nice of a car. I'm gonna run it on a hard tie, and then I'm gonna run it on. I'm gonna get some slicks for it, some radials. Get some radials for it, depending on what it run on a hard tie. And I gotta do a video explaining root supercharger to y'all, root style supercharger car. They work differently, man. You can't do the stuff I do with John John, you can't do with that blower. They work totally different. But oh yeah, drop in the comments what kind of time y'all think John Jones put down or will put down in the quarter mile and the eighth mile, eighth and the quarter, both. Drop down, comment below what time you think it ran or what it will run. And I give y'all, keep in mind, it's still on 93 octane. It does not run on E85 at all, 93 octane. So drop them in the comment. I want to read all the times because I want to see what people, how fast or how slow people think the car is. And yeah, that's it. And the time, drop your time on radius, my bad. Not on street tire, on radius. Drop a ET with your quarter mile ET guess and your 8 mile ET guess on radius, not street tire. So yeah, that's it, man. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. And I'm out.